Okay, today we're going to have a look at a Supertec cylindrical grinder. This is a very nice, clean machine, original factory paint. This is a model G32P-100CII, I guess second generation or model 2. Anyway, it's a hydraulic machine. It's also a electronic infeed. The table itself is hydraulic. The infeed is hydraulic and electronic. It has a rapid in and out that's hydraulic, and after that it starts to have the infeed. Now you have coarse feed and fine feed, spark out, rapid in, rapid out. You have traverse grinding, plunge grinding, and also you see that it's equipped with an ID grinder. Now the program for ID grinding is also in the control. It has different variables. They don't, for safety reasons with ID grinding, you have to read our manual or the manual for it. The headstock itself here is equipped with a 5 C-collet quick clamp type drawbar closer, the 5 C-collet spindle. It's a live center, a dead center, whichever way you want to set it up. It goes both ways. You have a jog button here and a speed to adjust your RPM. And then you have your conventional controls down here. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. That's the hydraulics. You can barely hear them. Now there is a water guard that goes here. It's sitting right over there right now. So we do have it. We also have the coolant system for this. I'm going to start the wheel. So that's the grinding wheel. Now once you've got your information programmed into cycles, there's a grinding cycle for plunge and there's a grinding cycle for traverse. And it asks you different things. So right now we're going to do a plunge grind. So when I put everything in automatic here and hit the cycle start button, the wheel comes forward, the workpiece would start to turn, and we're feeding down. That's a very quick cycle. We're going to go to a fine feed. There's a little dwell in between coarse and fine, and then the final spark out, and then everything will retract and go back. Now into this you can program a safety value where the rapid hydraulic stroke stops, and then you don't want to slam into your workpiece, so you can have another 20-30 thousandths of just moving in very slowly. So it got down into fine feed now. It's going to get to 0, and it retracts, winds itself up again, and backs off. Now if I wanted to go to the next thing, which would be traverse grinding, I will select that, and I've got all my stuff programmed there, and you want to make sure that you're not going to hit anything. And now we're going to traverse grind. So we come in, and the table's going to start to move. The hand wheel automatically rapids forward. After it goes back, it gets the backlash out. Does a little thing here to get the backlash out. So now you see each time we reverse, and in the program you could say I only want to feed on the right side, or I only want to feed on the left side. Over here you can control the speed. It's a very nice machine, very solid, quiet. So there you have it. That's the, well, we'll let it finish here while we let our video run out. Anyway, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed the show. Thank you.